Hi guys, in this short and cool video, I am going to tell you about one hack that has increased my productivity by 10x, and that is known as ChatGPT Agentic mode. Don't simply go and paste your prompt in Agentic mode. There is a way to do it. Let me try to explain you how. I have two different windows of ChatGPT open here if you see. And what I'm going to show you is how you can use same prompt in normal mode versus agentic mode and how it makes a difference. And then three-step process of using agentic mode in ChatGPT, which I use personally a lot. So let's go ahead and say I am planning for Switzerland trip next summer. Give me a plan for 7 days in low budget, and let me copy this prompt as well. So I'll copy this and let's enter this here. On the right hand side I will choose here agent mode. If you see here 20 left more available on October 4, so agent mode is actually little limited. So I will go here and I will go to agent mode and I will paste the same prompt. You will see the difference between left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side the result is already coming. Right hand side you will see that it will take some time for result to come, and a window like this is opened. Left hand side is your normal ChatGPT working. Right hand side is your prompt working. Agent working. See the difference of how the output is getting generated. If you see on the left hand side, in 14 seconds only, right, it has given me a low budget 7-day itinerary, and basically generic in nature is what you can say. Generic in nature responses. On the right hand side the agent is doing lot of things. So if you see these messages, right, it is hitting some Airbnb, it is going to some Swiss stores, it is going to some budget buck, and like the way agents work, right? So how one agents work, how another agent work, all these things, and this is how agents will behave. So agent is basically not a chatbot, right? So agent is not here to give you some answer quickly. Agent is here to perform some goal. So I have asked for a 7-day itinerary and low budget, so that is what the goal here. That goal it is trying to achieve through various actions. This is how agents work, right? So if you see researching budget for 7-day trip, hitting different websites, coming here, and when this finishes you will observe that the right hand side response is much better than left hand side response, and for the obvious reason. Left hand side is a generic response, less time consumed, less resources consumed. Right hand side agentic mode, more resources consumed, more websites hits or more research done, etc. So when this comes, right, we will come back and see how the results are different. Now it has worked for 3 minutes. If you see, as compared to left hand side it worked for only 14 seconds, right hand side worked for 3 minutes, but the answer is also worth it. So if you see the assumptions will be there, the budget overview will be here, transport, daily budget. If you see day 1 here, it's very simple, only 3 lines. You see day 1 here, it's like larger and more context, more information, more knowledge, many things are here. Obviously the right side prompt answer is better than left side answer. Now I will explain you. First of all, you should cancel this because agent mode is limited in number. I have ChatGPT Premium, but still the number is limited. Now I will show you how I will normally approach ChatGPT normal versus ChatGPT agent. So suppose I have to search something like how to become a stock trader in 2025. So this is my generic search that I want to do. My target is to do it through agent only, but first I will go and do my normal prompting in normal ChatGPT. This is my step 1. I am trying to tell you 3-step process of using agents effectively. This is my step 1, and now I know the foundation. For example, understand markets, core concepts, economic basis. retail independent trader, or set up your tools, or practice first, or develop a strategy, risk management, stay updated. So by reading at all these, right, I will have idea of in which direction my agent should work. Some idea, like I started from zero, right? I started from zero. Now I have some idea of in which direction my agent should work. Now I will use these and prepare the prompt for agent. That is my step 2. So give me a full prompt to become a stock broker in 2025 for ChatGPT Agentic mode. The agent should research on, okay, and now I will start taking things from here. Understanding markets, it's your wish how much you want to do. Core concepts, economic basis, okay, your wish how much you want to do. Then free courses, and then let's take some from here only. Retail independent trader, and then broker account. We will take some. I just want to show you how lovely the prompt is getting generated, okay. And demo account, paper trading, and then day trading, anything I'm taking, but stop loss orders. Basically you can take based on your condition or whatever you feel is important. And then AI driven market, give lot of information, guys, because agent is basically limited in number and you want to use it at full capacity. More information means agent has more context to work on. So all these things, and what I'm looking for a prompt to be used in agent. Now you see here, full agentic prompt. You are my personal mentor and research assistant. Your goal is to guide me in becoming a stockbroker. Act as an agentic tutor. Research, explain, and build a step-by-step roadmap tailored for me. Understanding market, core concept, this. Important. Okay. At the end, summarize with the 7-day starter plan. Would you like me to embed live research institutions? So basically normal thing that ChatGPT will ask. But key thing is, now you copy this. If you want to edit something, edit there, and go to ChatGPT agent mode and paste. Okay. And whenever you are using ChatGPT agent mode, it will set a desktop like this. So setting up on my desktop, so it will set a, you can think of a virtual machine to do your work. So agent is setting a desktop, and then it will take some good 3-4 minutes of time. So as you can see, it is searching the web, then going to stockbrokers, then going to different places. In the end, it will give you a very rich result. So we will see when it comes. So this time it has run for 10 minutes, guys, and 10 minutes is not less time, but the information that you see here is really detailed. Becoming a stockbroker trader, understanding the markets, it is trying to give you very useful information here. Then code trading concepts that we asked, order types, leverage and margin, and corporate trainings and valuation, learning and resources. So from Coursera, it is giving some stock market mastery course from Upskilled, and from Coursera this one, from Morningstar investing classroom, and some channels, YouTube channels. These things we did not ask, right? Still it is giving YouTube channel link, whichever we can follow, whichever you can learn from. Then 5 trader path, so top low fees broker, and this and many things it's giving. So this is what agent does, right? So example, 7-day starter schedule, first day market foundation, second day order and spread, third day, fourth day, fifth day. What I want to draw your attention to, agent is always goal oriented. So you don't need to say do this, do that. Just give a goal and it will do whatever needed to achieve that goal. Agentic AI is one of the most sought after topic of today's world, and that is the reason I have created a detailed course on agentic AI on Udemy. If you want to see that, click on any of Unfold Data Science video on YouTube. Any of video you can click and just go to the description and you will find the Agentic AI for beginner. This is already discounted for you guys. This is my coupon code. If you go from this coupon code, you will see a discount already. And this one is, you see the rating guys, 4.5 rating almost from many people. Basically you see here, right, 52%, 36%. So rating and review is very good. You see these reviews, very useful in understanding basics of Agentic AI. Quite good, easy explanation about how Agentic AI work. I am searching for the short course and this is one of the best course. Thanks to Aman for giving. Okay, so some people are saying that beginners in non-coding, they don't know coding, but if they don't know coding, then how these will work, right? Good session, good course, very interesting. So just go ahead and check out these course. So I have taught introduction to Agentic AI, multi-agent system, tools for Agentic AI on cloud, and I'm adding some new fresh updates as well. Please go ahead, check this course. You will find the link in any of Unfold Data Science video. Click on description and you get this link. So the idea was guys to show you the difference between normal ChatGPT and agent, plus 3-step process of using agent nicely. Plus if you want to explore more on agent, which you should do of course, then go to this course and you will not regret. See you all in the next video guys. Wherever you are, stay safe and take care.